1. Equipment display. 2. Preparation tools, a set of Allen wrench. 3. Prepare sealing mold, upper mold inner spring, lower mold core. 4. Install the upper mold. First put the spring into the upper mold, then hold the upper mold and align it with the installation position on the top plate of the crimper machine and tighten it firmly. At last, 2 screws are locked and fixed by the top of the crimper machine. Five. Install the lower mold. First combine the lower mold with the lower mold core, then hold the lower mold align with the pin on the platform, and align with the screw hole, put into 2 screws, and lock and fix it clockwise with the Allen wrench. Six. Connect the air pipe. Press the start button with one hand on the operation panel, and turn the pressure regulating valve clockwise with the other hand. Adjust the pressure to 0.5-0.6 MPa. 7. Sealing operation. Take the coin cell to be sealed, with the negative case facing up, and put it into the lower mold core. Rotate the outer ring of the lower mold clockwise, corresponding to the mark of the battery thickness. Press the start button. The lower mold automatically rises and enters into the upper mold. Return to the original position after finishing the coin cell crimping. Manually press down the middle circle of the lower mold and take out the sealed battery. 8. Finished product display.
Live.